Our aim, our goal is not to convince someone, but only to convey the message. And so, you have to build a clear communication. That is our goal. Naintindihan natin yun? To establish a clear communication, to convey the message of Islam clearly, maipaliwanag mo sa kanya, an tuballiga risalata bil wuduh. Ang ibigay mo sa kanila ang mensahe with clarity. Doon mo kaysa mag-focus ka na, ando man ka pa convince kan saya, focus in, paano ko to i-explain ng mabuti. Focus on how to deliver your message clearly. Focus on how to arrange your message rightly. And never mind about convincing him. Because you are not very sure, even gano'n ka kagaling, hindi you are not sure ng tao na yun magmumuslim. Ang propeta Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam nga sa kanyang dawa, he is the best, qudwatun hasana. He is the best of our model. Okay? He is a da'i. He is our model of dawa. Ang propeta sallallahu alaihi wasallam, hindi niya napa-Islam ang lahat ng mga taga Makkah. Let alone the whole Arabs. Nintindihan natin yun?